Hello, this is Mr. D with the second violin walkthrough tutorial of Lift Every Voice. So, as we mentioned, this piece starts with a high 3. So make sure that your 3 is really stretched, or you can choose to play it with a low 4. They are kind of interchangeable uh, for C sharp or D flat. So if you cannot reach, you have trouble reaching high enough with 3, please um, play it with low 4. And so there we go. D, D, D. So starting from here, it might be overwhelming when you're looking at that many notes, but chances are that throughout the piece, some of those patterns are going to repeat. So with a little bit of investing, once you see a group, repeat it several times so your fingers know how to do it. So for example, at measure 6, we have those two groups. So what I would do when you practice is I will repeat that group like 5, 10 times. And then the next group. And then the next group. So your fingers can move without you thinking. It's a long piece, so if you have to think about every group, that's going to be overwhelming task. So you need to teach your fingers to think by themselves. That's why you need the repetition. So especially for harder groups, then you just simply need to repeat them more. So take every group and repeat it. Okay, continuing with the walkthrough. This is measure 6. Sorry, my bad. Measure 8. So that's a low 2. Then repeat that. Continuing. So there is a low 2 and then high 2 on the D string. Throughout the piece, there are a couple of places where you have that pattern. So there is a switch of the rhythm. Okay. Now this is measure 14. Low 4. Because I'm using 3 and the note before, instead of moving it, I choose to put 4 right on top of it, so I save time with that motion. 18. Another one of this high 3, low 4. 23. Now low 1. continue with some of the same patterns. This is 43. Pay attention to measure 45. Bina. And then low. Low one. Again. Another. Now that's a low 2, 71. Now we're the section that has no sharps or flats. Low 2. Use low 4. Low 2. Let me do that again. This is 81. Now D flat is the same as C sharp. Now you have low 1, low 2. Now you are in kind of like a new hand position, which is called half position. So low 1, low 2, and 3 on the tape. Low 4, low 2, low 1, low 1, low 2. Again low 4, low 3, low 1, low 2. Now this is a special case. See that F flat? So far you've learned F sharp, now you've learned F natural. Now F flat is the same as E. So but the E is flat. So you are in total half position, and then you have to stretch the fourth finger to play the D flat, the C sharp. Pay particular attention to measure 94. Low 4, low 1, low 2, low 4. Now you have E natural. Remember, that's the same as F flat. So you gotta change on the A string, and then now you have low 3. Now switch. Yeah, relief. This string now low. Now low 4. Low 1. Low 1. Okay, good luck.